Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Arjita and today we'll be creating this beautiful red vibrant Christmas themed card, and for that I've used a few VersaFine clear inks, the Sparkle Embossing Powder and a red cardstock. So this is a beautiful stamp set from Gina K Designs and it is a beautiful snowflake which I'll be heat embossing on this red cardstock. So I'll just prepare the cardstock with the powder tool and then I'll use VersaMark ink to stamp this intricate and beautiful snowflake. So once this was done, I took my sparkle embossing powder and sprinkled it all over. It is such a beautiful embossing powder and just makes everything look so festive and nice. So I just heat set it with my heat tool and we were almost ready. So to add up that glow and more beauty in this card, I decided to add some more shades of red all around the perimeter of the card, and this makes it look as if the snowflake is glowing and it is absolutely stunning. So I'll use a jumbo dauber to add the ink and that will almost finish the card. So I'll just keep adding this color and then I'll go back to the VersaFine Clear to add that darker color, and again I'll blend it with the Memento ink. So I'll list all the supplies I've used in the description box and on the blog post, so you can check all the inks I've used and the embossing powder. Everything is going to be linked. So I really like this kind of a technique because you really don't need to ink the entire cardstock, but you can pick up any color. A green will look beautiful, blue will look beautiful, so you can create a lot of such cards and that will be perfect for your Christmas greetings. So this is very easy to mass produce. You can also add a little stenciling at the background and that will make it look even more beautiful. So this is it, and now is the time to add the sentiment. And when it comes to sentiment, the number one ink has to be the VersaFine Black Onyx ink, and that is what I've used. I placed the card on the Misti and selected a sentiment which goes on top and completes this card. So I added this ink and stamped it. So this is the most crisp ink and it is jet black. So now I added some foam behind my colored panel and adhered it on the card. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you want to see a more inspiration post, visit the Imagine blog, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.